I've got a Sony digital camcorder that seems to be on its last legs. The LCD screen is starting to bubble. But worse than that, I inserted a tape, a high digital tape, to see if I could play back what I had recorded on that. And I was getting an error code flashing on the screen. Now I remember seeing a serviceman, a service tech, talking about that error code. He had the camera completely apart, and he was able to take care of that code. And he was saying that when the camera owner sees that video, he's probably going to want the camera back. He had given up on it and just turned it over to this guy who repairs cameras in his spare time. Well, I got that same error code when I put in a tape. Its code is C:31:23. And when it flashes, you can't play back or record. So I did a Google search, and of course it says send your camera in for repair, send it to Sony. It's not something you can service. But then I kept reading, and there were people suggesting you take the palm of your hand and slap the side of the camera really hard with an open palm. I tried that, and you know, it worked. Just like everybody else was saying on that thread, on that discussion forum. Holy crap, I don't believe it, it works, thank you so much. Thanks for the tip. And it just went on and on. So I tried it, and it did the trick. So I'm recording on a tape right now, and just had to get this out.